Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Simply Steph. That's me. In today's video, yes, I did try to cancel, but there's a whole story behind that. So if you want to see what's in Lip Monthly for, yeah, I had to look, Lip Monthly for the month of April, then keep on watching. Okay, guys, so let me tell you about this. Remember I said I was going to cancel it, right? Well, I tried. I did. And it asked me, you know, on there why I wanted to cancel. I think I mentioned this in the other video. But anyway, in one of the last videos I recorded, I can't remember. Anyway, I might have. But it asked me why, and I said financial, because, you know, remember I said I was trying to cut back. This thing is getting me annoyed. I don't know. Anyway, yeah, my hair is not cooperating. Yeah, I'm just a hot mess. But anyway, so yeah, so it said why, and I said financial reasons. So they were like, well, what if we gave you a discount? Like, we just keep on going. And I think it said check here to see how much or something. So I clicked on it just curiously. So they did. They gave me a discount, and a big one at that. So it is what it is. I'm a lip person. Now, granted, do I get a lot of lip stuff from here that I can use? Not really. Like, I get lip oils. I like those. But, like, the colors and... Oh, I am so sorry. I just kicked you. I'm sorry. Oh, my God. Okay. Anyway, so Lip Monthly for the month of April. Yeah, so I ended up going ahead and getting in. And it said, we'll give you a discount for the duration, which I guess means however long I keep it. I don't know. But anyway, we'll see. We'll see what happens next month, right? Okay, so this is for April, though. It did come late. Their subscription always does come late. I will tell you, though. Oh, and this is different. Okay, so usually there's a card, but I don't see one, so there you go there. Oh, yeah, it's inside here. So this is different. Usually it comes in like a little zipper bag. I kind of like them, like when I'm doing mini giveaways. But, so here's the card. Yeah, it says April 2020, okay, Lip Monthly. Welcome to the April 2020 bag. Oh, no, I'm going to need my glasses for that. Here they are. Boop. We are officially, okay, what does this say? Transitioned into spring season. We hope that we hope that you all are staying safe given the current circumstances. Did you know Lip Monthly has a referral program? Blah, blah, blah. Okay, well, it doesn't have the prices or the name of the items or anything like that. So if I can find them, I'll go ahead and link them around here and give you a total what the bag is. Okay, so if you don't know about Lip Monthly, I believe, I will leave the link down below if you want to try the subscription. If you click the link, you will get $5 off your first bag, and I believe it's $12.95 a month, and you get 3 to 5 products, I believe it is, something like that. I'll leave all that information down below. But there is also a link, so that'll save you a couple dollars. So again, it comes in a little, this is a little like canvas bag. It's cute. I could see me using this for something. I don't know what, but. Oh, which reminds me, guys, I have a Dollar Tree haul. Oh my God. There are I bought so much stuff. Oh, I can't even believe it. Because I'm going to do a couple DIYs, right? Do it yourselves, yeah. For like makeup organizers and some things that we need that has to do with COVID. So stay tuned for that video. Also, I have a haul that I bought a couple things. Not anything crazy. Well, I did get the Too Faced eye palette, you know, the Natural Mattes eyeshadow palette, because I really like that packaging, and I didn't get the BoxyCharm Premium this month, so of course it was in that, you know. But anyway, I got a really good deal on it, and I couldn't say no. I had to get it. But, and I did, as well as I have a few things here, but I'm going to go over that in a different video. But, anyway, so Lip Monthly, I'm pulling out the first thing. What is this? Okay. What is that? Is that glitter? Okay, this is Mother Natural. This is from Naked Cosmetics. They always remind me, Naked Cosmetics reminds me of the Balm packaging for some reason. I'm assuming this is loose shadow. I don't know, can you see that? I don't know if you can see that with my lighting. It's pretty crappy. No, definitely not. You can't. Oh, there you go. It's kind of backwards, but okay. Anyway, let me see what this is. It's not, oh yeah, it is sealed. Shit. All right, I'm not, sorry. I'm not gonna open that. I'm gonna leave that sealed. I think this is, what does it say this is? I wish they would have gave me it back. It just says, it says Naked Cosmetic Mother Nature. It doesn't look like a balm, although I could be wrong, because the top is it looks like the top has a seal in it too. This is either some kind of like stick your finger in it lip stuff, or it's a shadow, like a loose powder eyeshadow, or shimmer shadow or something like that. I don't know. Let me dump all this stuff out. Okay, so the bag is here, and then we have this. Now, where'd this thing go? Okay, the second thing I see here is, I don't know how to say this. It's Noyah, Noah, or Noyah. It is a simple and awesome organic vanilla lip balm. All right, with lip balms. Although I do have my Lancome that I keep talking about in every video. I can't help it. I love it. I like this one. This one really puts a little bit of shimmer. My lips are dry. I'm going to put some on now. I love this stuff. And it really does plump your lips, guys. Sorry. I use it so much, it won't go down now. I have to tap it down. I don't know. I must have put it up and down so many times. And then I have the pink one. But I use both of them. And they're so minty. Oh, I love them. Okay. And they really do plump your lips. That's the thing. Okay. So that's the second thing is a lip balm. So we have, I guess this is some kind of lip balm. I don't know. I'll have to check it out. Let me just open it up because I'm not going to use it, but it does have a seal on here. Oh my God, it is a shadow. Okay, and it making a mess. I should have kept it closed. Damn it. Okay, let me just take this off because there's no way I'm going to get that top back on there. So this is kind of a cool color, and I have it everywhere now. Oh my God. So I don't know if you know about these guys, but you see that little tiny bit in there? You would dip your brush in there, and if it's pigmented enough, that's all you would need to do. I made a huge mess. Carly, no, what are you doing? What do you see? She's over here meowing. She wants mommy to pay attention. So yeah, so that, sorry, that is a, it's a, you know, back in the day, okay, believe it or not, I had a girlfriend, her name was Diana Boyd, and we were really good friends, and I'll tell you, she was way above, and she was way up ahead in her years as far as makeup is concerned, because this is all she used. I mean, you want to talk about beautiful eye looks. I just used to sit there and go, wow. Because I didn't really wear that much makeup when I was like, you know, a teenager. Like mascara, some blush, and lipstick, and I was out the door. And then when I started wearing eyeshadow, I definitely didn't do it like her because she had these looks that were crazy. Did she just go flying somewhere? She did, didn't she? Carly, settle down now. Settle. She's going nuts. She's doing her nightly thing. Anyway, she was way above her, like I see girls doing looks like this now, and nobody did them like that. Like, her eyes were always, wow, she was just way ahead of her time. Anyway, and she used to use only these, which is, I think, amazing, and I never heard of them before until I saw her use them. So this is some kind of shimmer. Oh, it's like a duochrome. Okay. It's got a shift. I don't know if that's right. Duochrome. It's got a shift one way and a different color another, because it looked like a silver and then that's a brown. So, okay, like a brownie red. All right, and then the second, that was this two. I got the lip balm and the eyeshadow, which is definitely a shimmer. And then this is from Bellapierre Glitz Up Matte to Glitter Lip Cream. Okay, that sounds real interesting. Let me see what shade it's in, because I gotta see if it's not my shade. No. But that is, oh, I see. Scott, I don't know if you guys can see that. Am I rocking the thing? I am. You know what? Let me, okay, that's a little, oh, I know why. I have my phone plugged in. Okay, so this is, there it is there. It says Glitz Up Bellapierre Cosmetics. And you can see ever so slightly sparkle in there. I don't know if you can see. You can't. I don't think you can see with my light, but there's glitter. It looks like glitter, not sparkle. Glitter. Well, sparkle, glitter. But I don't know about that shade. It looks pinky in the camera, but this is more like a tan almost. I don't know. It's weird. I don't think that's my color, but it's a gloss. So no, I'm sorry. It's Matte to Glitter. So that's a matte shade. But I'm not going to open it. I'll leave that. Probably put it in a giveaway. Now, this is Laurette. I do like some of their products. There's a packaging there. Oh, and let me show you the packaging for the Bellapierre. It's kind of cute. It's cute because see the shimmer? I don't know if you can see it. It's like a different shift. I don't know. Let me see. I don't know. Can we see that? I don't think so. What's up with my lights lately, man? It's got like a pinky, which is not the color of that. It's pinky with like silver, green, blue specks. That's kind of cool. If that's what comes off on your lips, then that would be all right. Okay, so this is from Laurette. It comes in a packaging like this. How do I make a 10-minute video out of 4 products? I don't know. Anyway. Okay. Oh, no, definitely not. This is an orange, a brick red. What color is this? What's this shade? Let's see. Let me see what the Bellapierre shade is. Glitz Up Posh. That's the Posh is the name. This one is in the shade Thrill. Okay. I know if I put that on, somebody would get a thrill laughing at me. That's for sure. That's a brick red if I ever seen one. That's like an orange red. You, look at, there you go. You can see it. That's pretty much what it looks like. No, definitely not mixed green. But see, that's another reason I get the subscription, because a lot of times I can't wear what's in them. A lot of times. There's a few things, but I'll just put them in a giveaway. And I do know a couple people ask me for like these colors. When I ask them, like, okay, like when I'm doing giveaways or whatever, and I ask them like, what color lip do you want, or what are your colors? And they'll say this. So, matter of fact, I think Fun With Me Makeup, didn't she just ask? Oh, by the way, your thing went out, darling. You probably have gotten it by now. But anyway, I hope you enjoy it. I tried to match the colors best I could with what I had. Too bad this didn't come. I would have put this in there. Because she did ask for like an orange lipstick, I think. Anyway, so there you have it, guys. We got the... Let me put this back in the packaging. We did, so like I said, I'll try and link the prices up above here. So we got the lip balm, we got the matte to glitter right here. That's the packaging, and it's out. And then we got the eyeshadow that makes a gigantic mess, and that I guess I'm keeping now because I opened it and it's everywhere. And then we have the Laurette orange, fire orange red, whatever, lipstick. So like I said, I'll link the total up there, you know, or I'll try to get a total for of the bag for you. And then we have this, of course. So, I mean, I don't know. Maybe this is why I got a reduction in the price. I don't know. I wonder if it's the same. I should check out other people's videos, huh? And see if they got the same thing. I wonder. There's an idea. All right, guys. So there's LipMonthly for the month of April. They already did bill me for May, so I guess I'm getting that. Anyway, and if if you guys are new here, please subscribe. If there's anyone that is just clicking on the channel, you know, checking it out, I would love for you to subscribe. I'm trying to make it to 250, and I'm having a huge giveaway. The prize for that giveaway will be three winners. First prize will be a 3-month subscription of your choice gifted to you. Also, the second runner-up will receive a 1-month box of their choice, as long as it's $25 or under. And also, the third place winner will... I have tons of BoxyCharm here, guys, just stacking up, piling up, piling up. I got 3 boxes last month, you know what I mean? So I got a box coming this month. So we'll see. I also have Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. I did get that. So yeah, I canceled a few and I got one more. I like switched out a different one. But anyway, there you have it, guys, and I hope you guys are doing all good and safe. And if you're, I don't know if you're aware of it yet, but there should be a Mother Day look collab coming up that I'm in. It's like another contest. Be on the lookout for that video as well. Okay. I have tons. I have an unboxing. I have a couple more unboxings. I have. I'm ordering another box from Busy Beauty. I haven't decided which one yet. Also for May, and then also I bought a couple items, and then I have a haul that I did. I did a Dollar Tree and Walmart haul. So there's that, and so those are videos to keep out. Watch out, watch out for those videos. Holy crap, I'm tired, guys. It's late. It's like 2 in the morning. Anyway, I'm gonna call it a night, and I just want to get another video up tonight, you know, do one a night, see if I can get them out there. Again, if you guys are, I hope you're doing all right. I hope you're staying safe. If I don't see, you know, until I see you again, until I see you again in the next video, guys, be safe and please take care of each other, okay? See ya.